everybody. I am so sorry that it has been like 2 weeks since I have last filmed. I've been crazy busy. I started painting. Hook me up if you want a painting. But anyways, welcome. This is Hello Beauty with Emily. Hello, welcome. Welcome back, Emily. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Today we are going to do a amazing cute butterfly look because I love butterflies. Me and my boyfriend went on this long road trip all the way up to Pittsburgh and back down again because we're from, you know, we're in Georgia. We went to little butterfly, botanical little museums, and super cute, super fun. So let's dive right into this butterfly look, y'all. Yes, I know I'm breaking out here, but please ignore it. Ignore the ugliness because I don't want to put makeup on it right now. You know, it's not good to put makeup over acne. It's just not. So acne gel. We gonna put some little acne gel on there. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe because it's free. And who doesn't like free stuff? But other than that, make sure to turn on your post notifications so that every time I post, you know that I'm posting, baby. Please stay you, stay cute, stay beautiful. I'll see you in my next video. This Juvia's Place lipstick I am obsessed with. I love the color. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this look. So I hope you guys are too.